Greetings and welcome back to Big Bacon's Collection. So, because of the impending May the 4th, I've decided I'm going to celebrate with 7 days of Star Wars unboxing, ending off on May the 4th. So today, we're going to be looking at the Star Wars Black Series Gaming Greats Jedi Fallen Order Rocket Launcher Trooper. Whew! That was a mouthful. As always, we're going to look at the packaging. We're going to bust them out of the cardboard sarcophagus, cardboard casket, whatever you want to call it. Check the accessories, check the figure, check the articulation, gear him up, and get him on the shelf. Now, I do have a bit of a confession. When I started collecting the Black Series, I really didn't pick up any kind of troop building figures. My main focus was on named characters. So things like Stormtroopers, Clone Troopers, TIE Pilots. I really didn't pick up any of them. Here within the last couple months, I've started picking up quite a few clones. And the confession is, this is actually my first Stormtrooper. I know. Surprise, surprise. So we're going to see if this thing is as good as everybody says it was. So, top of the package, we have nothing. Star Wars Black Series. Got a nice image of the trooper. And I do like the fact that the logo, the image, and even the titles are in a higher gloss paper or print than the background. You see the reflectiveness on this, but not here. Reflective? Not reflective. That's really kind of a cool touch. On this side, we've got the Gaming Greats. We've got the breakdown of what comes in the package. It's a Stormtrooper with a pauldron and a rocket launcher. We have the virtue signaling down here at the bottom. More virtue signaling there. Yep, there's the GameStop price tag along with a bunch of stupid script. Rocket Launcher Trooper. So here's the Galaxy image, the mural image. And then on the back we have a lot more stupid script. Number 22 in the Gaming Greats line. And a little blurb about the character. So, without any further ado, what do you say we bust him out? Bust him out. You know what I'm thinking here? Is this my first plastic-free Black Series? I think it might be. So this might be a bit of a thing for all of us. No, Ned B. Ned B was my first. I take that back. So that's empty. So we'll get rid of that. Okay, so here's the cardboard coffin. The casket. Tucked way back here is, you guessed it, more stupid script. So it looks like what they've done is they've just kind of tucked everything back underneath cardboard. Hold it in place. Done with that. I'm imagining this is probably the accessory. So this is, yep, this thing is crimped close. So here we have the rocket launcher. And you know what? It's a badass looking rocket launcher. There's no kind of opening for any kind of blast effects. Sculpt on this thing is really nice. You get in close and you can see that it's seen some stuff. It's dented, it's dinged. Got an optic system on top, forward aiming handle, firing handle. What looks like a mount for a attachment point. You got the outlet and the back blast. That's really cool. Now, Let's take a look at the main event, shall we? My first Stormtrooper. From what I understand, this is the 2020 sculpt, which is, I'm guessing, correct because it does have butterfly joints. First one I've owned, not the first one I've seen. I've watched quite a few reviews on other troopers. Land Speeder Luke, out of the basement. You guys rock. Galactic Mandalorian. That's right, a German toy reviewer. Check him out if you haven't had a chance. Beautiful. So, let's get a look at him. Flat top helmet. Good paint details along the back. Everything on the front seems to be on point. Nothing has strayed. The eyelets are not quite lined up all the way in the hole. And the line looks a little crooked. But all the small details are on the money. Go figure. So the armor is this gleaming glossy white. Pauldron is black with a red indicator. I think this is a first order pauldron. Or at least it looks like one. Paint details here in the middle of the body are on point. Black undersuit. No major paint defects that I'm seeing in the arms. Oh, I take that back. We got a little bit of craziness here. And the thing looks kind of dirty. I don't know, it might just be the fact that it's pure white, so anything dirt related just kind of instantly appears. Well, let's check out some articulation, shall we? So this is one of the... Sorry, my throat's a little dry. This is one of the helmets that has a head up underneath. So that means there's a big old ball joint up in there. Allows you to look up that far. The neck is articulated too. Looks down that far. Got tilt. But just to the one side, really. The pauldron kind of stops it on the other side. And good rotation. The shoulder piece rises up with the arm. So you get a 90-degree up. You've got a butterfly joint in there. Ho, ho, ho. You can move the arm most of the way around, but once you get up here, unless... Yeah, this one doesn't seem to want to move with the shoulder, so you don't get all the way around. Single jointed pinless elbow. Comes up beyond 90. Rotates at the elbow. Hand rotates. Horizontal hinge on the left hand. Vertical on the right. There is a torso cut. Ooh, very generous torso cut. Bends back that far. Forward that far. Great tilt and rotation. There is no waist articulation to it. Let's get this leg loosened up a little. You all know how I do this. Out, 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 out. Okay, so the leg comes out this far, and it doesn't look like the armor's really hitting anything. I'm guessing it's just the leg pushing up against this armor bit in the back, stopping it. Kicks forward. Doesn't kick forward very far. Well, if you twist the armor all the way around, you can get it up that far. There is a thigh cut underneath the armor. Single jointed pinless knee comes up beyond 90. Rotation at that knee. Foot hinges back just that far. Forward that far. Front facing pin for rocker. Now, let Let me see if I can figure out the best way to... Oh, goodness. Well, this is going to be fun. The hand is soft without being like a rubbery soft. I got to do this way out here. Come on. Come on. You know you want to. Get in the hole. So the hand seems a little bit large. Nope. I got it. And with the crossbody. Oh yeah. He could shoulder hold that rocket launcher. Now it's just a matter of getting his feet adjusted to balance. My goodness, look at that. That is a thing of beauty. So what do you say we get him up on the shelf, huh? Okay, got to readjust for how level the shelf is versus how level the review platform is. Come on, feet. There we have it. Tuck him right in there. And boom. There we have him. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, hit that notification bell. And I'll see you all next time.